VTFM Ouch Palangi. Kotiani Vikimnio Punjas. Celebrating 90 years. KV Not Patel.
Another morning, another sunshine. We say Anda Binaka, Mbula Binaka, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. To all the staff of Punjas and Vinod Patel.
Vinod Patel,
yes. For tuning in this morning. We say Mbula Binaka to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
All right.
We say Anda Binaka to all the friends tuning from overseas, to all the drivers out there and all the passengers in the bus, in the carrier, in the minivan, especially the Suvarnasori corridor. To all the drivers going down to the west, to all the hotel workers from the western side of the country. Andra, Mbulbinaka, Matavinaka, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Very well, good morning to the beast that's tuning in from this morning.
Beast?
Yeah, the beast. And likewise, the Kaiwai from Lambasa. Thank you very much, Kaiwai and the family, the beast and the family for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Well, good morning to Simeli New Mataiwalu and the fourth birthday of Junior. Yambakiba today, Tevi Tabubale, Unaisi, Wena Lokale Bukobala, Devox Road, Goy Subasalo Mambimbi.
Devoro.
Slow waters. Slow waters,
Ah.
Rovo Kili, Titili Nangau.
Bentari.
And, Emmanuel Farm, George, my Dubo, New South Wales.
Yarbenak to all the bus drivers, especially the Nasese bus drivers.
Bentari.
And to all the passengers, we say Yarbenaka. And welcome to our show, the Ouch Palangi Show.
Pero natangane po, Bentari wate kay Sunny Boy.
Newborn?
Turang the new boy.
Oi!
Newborn. Raw natarangane po to Bentari.
Iyo.
And also to Mbasi Nonda. Gora tangane po kiri. Mbasi Nonda, Bentari. O Sunny Boy na kena ko kami kenrambe dito. Wani ni bila tatunga turang ataw skeli. Thank you very much for the services.
Yeah.
To all the public transport joining today.
Yeah.
To tax.
Yeah.
To bill. They no sorry corridor this morning.
Don't know
especially to Lewa Kamika.
Yarbenaka.
All the way from Auckland.
Yeah.
And also to Esengwada Buniwai.
Oh.
Esengwada Buniwai for the team Fam Matakango Kero Lambasa College Boys.
Yeah.
O Paul and Sunny. Rodrop tungo kuribulan numital tuwa kinabubal na Buniwai epabalang KVT.
Yeah.
Esengwada Buniwai OL.
Yeah.
833 na motoka.
Likewise to the guy.
Who's the guy?
The only one guy, the boy, who drink the goat from the village.
Who's?
Natimo Teramuseni.
Elava.
Tuning in to this wonderful morning.
Oh, hitting the Timote.
Natimo Teramuseni.
Okay, come.
He drinks the milk of the
Goat.
Yeah.
A goat?
Yeah.
Are.
Hey! What Maramu Susana, good morning. Likewise to Pate Vuki. Bilesenia.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you very much for tuning in. And Isa, yo, bye kakaya.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hamar.
From Barabel Road, my Singatoka.
Yeah.
Thank you for
John
tuning
Kumar.
in. John Kumar in this wonderful morning. I'm Saulata.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for tuning in. Likewise to my Waisa. And, yeah.
To everybody joining this morning. You see the sunshine?
Yeah.
You see your clothes?
Yeah.
You see you? Did you see you?
Huh?
No, you never see you.
I see myself.
You see the mirror, you see the reflection.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
You see the sunshine,
Yeah.
you see you.
Huh.
Right tumba, right na bulan-bulan nilo malang, right na buhay kambula.
Yes.
Right because we should be like that.
Yeah.
Ah.
If you see the nature is giving their very beautification of life,
Yeah.
why we hating each other?
Don't know Vinaka.
Why we never love each other?
Speak it up, the message. Speak it up.
Why you never love your neighbor?
Yeah.
And the main thing is to love yourself.
Oh.
If you see something that does not keep you well,
Yeah.
better expel.
Okay.
Huh?
May butani.
Dina Sarah. Dina. Yeah.
Butani.
Yeah.
Because,
See,
come.
When you see the cloud, you see the trees, all the
Yes.
living things out there. And you see the ocean.
Yes.
And sometimes you see the waves. Lagomena wave. And the question this morning, the wave out there,
Yeah.
how come the wave in the throat?
There are different kind of wave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One there, the wave. The difference between the wave there
You
Yeah.
see?
at the ocean
Yeah.
and the wave in the throat.
Yeah.
One after the another from the ocean.
Yeah.
One after another from the ocean.
Yeah.
And the one in the throat,
Yeah.
one under the another.
Like,
Go daw rongo nango nila nga seri.
Yeah.
Nirongo da. Kay mami. And the wave on the car, on the ocean.
Yeah. Right.
And what happened? Why is that sound is coming out like waving?
I'm asking who the first person to install the wave on the road. Ako tarong ha? Untuk tarong. Wala apa katingin mo na wave na ngon nilang sir.
Yeah. Some was saying when the voice is
Explode.
broken.
Yeah.
Kami sa uli.
Sakaboro.
Yeah. Broken.
Yeah. When your throat is broken, the sound is like the wave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like echo. May echo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But some like original waving.
Yeah.
Eh?
I'm asking who installed the wave in our system. If wave is a person,
Yeah.
because some of the famous singer
Yeah.
before, or maybe it's like a fashion for us,
Yeah.
If you want to wave, just wave. Unless if you take your breath.
Yeah.
Kasarang ni taran umideng balabu din wave.
Yeah.
Some of us like broken
They kind of
Asa
broke their
fagas.
voice.
Hindi na sir.
sa kaboro na nora kau kaya some of them they We say good morning to Sister Asena Dabanga. Good morning to you and the family. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
That's a good question, eh? That's a good question. Nguna ta ba tigu kina na wave. So ndo lang sir, iyo. And baka to ba na how they want to sing their song, how to their song to to nakinirong-rong eh.
Yeah.
Iya. So pinakata na wave.
But the only original thing was when you alto, eh?
Yeah.
Soprano.
Yes, soprano.
Oh, very julum, nice.
Iya. But the bass gang, they wave too, the bass.
Kay mami senganin the wave.
But langat di wave.
Okay.
Kung singa.
Kay mami senganin the wave.
But how come your voice is broken?
It's not that broken.
Yeah.
It's about to broken.
Okay. Yan andom mo eh, nabunin wave. Eh, bitarong mo siya naman tadi ko.
May.
Why is it your backbone important to your body?
Backbone play a major role in our life.
Yeah.
He will withdraw every part of entire system of therapy inside the umbilical cord. Okay, ndo na itabile manggaramo tu.
Yeah.
Without the backbone in life,
Yeah.
we can stand ourselves.
Right.
Right,
Yeah.
They have the bone.
Yeah.
The bone, they never attach to each other. But
Yeah.
the grease, kapag na grease,
Dia katabila.
na it's like lubricate.
Yeah.
Lubricate the joint. That's why we
Yeah.
endure.
Agile.
We expand, contract our muscle. Because the muscle just there to cover the
The skin.
the bone.
Ah.
And the skin is there to cover them both.
Them both.
Yeah. They like a trousers. Trousers.
Yeah.
They cover our leg.
Right.
That's like them.
Yeah.
So when you see the backbone,
Yeah.
the backbone is a long bone
Yeah.
attached to each other. Okay, baka to the spring.
Right.
Right.
Kung spring ni battery,
Yeah.
they spiral
Yeah.
in our back cord. They connect our umbilical, nadam ko na
Yeah.
spinal cord.
Yeah.
Spinal cord right down
Yeah.
to our table.
Huh?
On the table.
Yeah, din sir. Yeah.
Connect there, and they withstand us.
Yeah.
If you have a backbone pain,
Yeah.
you can stand properly. You can sit long.
Yeah.
You can be a good person to be in a traditional ceremony.
Right, din sir. Ano mo kata cuman tahu eh?
Iyo.
Yeah.
It's
Illa dan
like
all the time.
See,
Yeah.
from Australia, Mini and Poasa.
Yeah.
Mini and Poasa and my name, namesake Abusata,
repeat
they know
ko.
very well.
They
Yeah.
come.
They know it very well about this thing.
The backbone.
The backbone.
Yeah.
And marama kami to sickness asking from
Switzerland.
Eh,
Yeah.
labay lang katura na backbone.
No, he said Why the tongue don't have the bones?
Because tongue,
Yeah.
Yeah.
they develop the sound.
Mhm.
If they are bone,
Yeah.
tongue have the bone,
Yeah.
we can lift our tongue. So we can develop the sound from our mouth.
Right.
That's why
Yeah.
our mouth, it's like a tin.
Yeah.
It's closed, but it has a gap inside.
Right. Di nasara.
Elawa tu na loma.
Yeah.
Because that's to help to develop the sound.
Wala na to toka. Wala na
Yeah.
besar ka madala.
And listen,
Yeah.
that's why we have the number niwa,
Yeah.
our teeth.
Siwo.
Si wolong ko rin dati. Na
Never
teeth.
di ongo na siwol.
Yeah, they are seawall to our mouth.
Yeah.
So if you see the teeth is missing,
Yeah.
if you have an absent teeth,
Yeah.
it's very tough to talk.
So this will take us back to the wave. Yeah?
Yeah.
When the wave is coming to the boneless part of the body, which is the tongue,
Yeah.
when you close the seawall, there will be no wave there. Eh?
Yeah.
Kami song.
Alright.
Ayaw sa nga madalas sa tungo.
Yeah. That's why
Yeah.
when somebody talk, they can't talk properly because the teeth is gone.
Right.
Oh, that's your.
Because the tongue is inside,
Yeah.
the teeth is outside.
Yeah,
So
seawall.
when the seawall is missing,
Yeah.
the tongue is there
Yeah.
to develop and force the air.
Oh!
Nalangi. When there is no seawall, that's why you can pronounce R. Kemuni misalnya fix, kemuni into nadosi.
Kamu ketiban.
Ndo narosi rere totok, ha? Kemuni into nadosi. That's why there is a missing seawall.
All right,
Yeah.
all right, okay.
That's why
Yeah.
you never have bone on your tongue.
Okay. So the only part of our body which is boneless
Yeah.
is the tongue
It's the tongue and the ear.
and the ear. Okay. All right. Last question.
Come.
Tell us, explain to us the broken heart.
Broken heart don't have
Yes.
a bone. They have a vessel.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah. Go.
They have a vessel.
Yeah.
They don't have a house,
Yeah.
but they have a door.
Isa. Usah amin ditumbu.
Left auricle,
Yeah.
a right auricle.
Yeah.
But you can only enter on an entry,
Iya.
Yeah.
Jinga.
and you only can outsider if you want to exit.
Exit ya.
Yeah. Left auricle, right auricle.
Iya.
Left ventricle, right ventricle.
Oh.
Iyo. That's where you see them. They keep on walking.
What's inside the heart?
Inside the heart is a factory.
Yeah.
A factory of air.
I see.
Iyo, itu lumayan lang.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they contribute. When we sleep, they job. They job. So never pollute your heart with smoke. Never pollute your heart with toxic words.
People say my heart is jumping. Why?
It's jumping because you don't have a jumper.
So there's a body, soul, and mind, eh?
Yeah.
And you say to one girl, my heart belongs to you. Why?
Yeah, because you are no more. Yeah. Thank you very much, Vinod Patel and Punjas, for your loving us. We are loving you. We are part
Write
of...
your name across my heart.
Yes, you never pollute your heart with names because name never coming out with performing. There are so many names that pollute your heart. Only one. Stick to one partner.
Baby girl just tuning in.
Hey, baby girl.
Yeah.
Ada, kung ito side cuma baya. Hey, sakali.
Atu kurumundo, sipilo.
Hey, ano mo na ka? Kapan?
Now yame, oh, yan na rin, daria way nunumbu.
Dari ya?
Iyon.
Nakoro?
Nakoro,
Bisa,
daria.
walang sangay may...
Ang kondo na tubig ito na city.
Uy.
Barita kaya na ituti wa mata nito.
Uy.
Wani mat
Wala
na
sa
palimbula
magkong
na
details,
posi. Iya. Kung ito ginawa ratuluk eh. Ito ka mga ratuluk na kortik yung daria. Rawaya lang na panilut.
Uy.
Kamera siya.
Kau lipa kurtu kino ratu dragon?
Ratu tau?
Iya.
Kongo? Nama
Iya.
kecil matin tunggu.
Gor.
Uy.
Ratu tau ya?
Na estate. Chicken estate.
Este to ni mbati buro ila ko ni baya.
Usaha lokal di ba?
Iya bayar togur.
Eh,
Pinirin bola.
Bilahi.
Tampai eta tiono chone Catherine bi factory ni batiri. Tu namo ba bilesin ya na uto tiro mana factory ni batiri. Eta pa nabaka kulalong. Gas us. Oh ya nare usa kase. I like
Don't Kumar, man.
Yeah, I like love radio with FM Fiji. Dona hat romo, dona recio, dona kuil ni bit, dona hat damu, bitar
Eh,
tu
tuk
la sense.
selula.
Iya.
Eh, satu selula aku mau pemuri-muri telah mereka kami itu menemukan loa-loa, hat bula-bula. Iya. Ini kan tuk selula kan siapa semua.
Sabi na ko sarbi to kan mata ko kemni na biyo kan kita do talita boleh na pamaruti kemni. Ito mo talaga no ni maruta kan binan bagi laka-laka na mata ni kuwa. Katungan na binan bagi ya. So kan to pila lai men tengu binak tu kinon da singa ni taka ni kuwa.
Din sar.
Mena korro. Korro baka biti, ha?
Sweet bunene.
Sweet bunene.
Ini belum siapa semua yang mata kami nak kita.
Kita mikito sa ba?
Iya.
Aku ila tambolo kilati ko sa muna buno anggur.
Eh, fama.
Wani ni bila
fama.
Iya. Wani ni bila biki bila kan demi tokan bil mai ngai hataka like taka. Sia taka tu nonda live.
Iya.
Ena mata binani ko demi tokan binod patel pat kay punja sa nay tokani.
Eh, yo kuru mundu go.
Terus kata nih go.
Engon de Messi.